welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Remy, and today I have this new wig sent from a company called Remy. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So as for the specs, it's a kinky curly texture. They also sent it in a V-part wig unit in 20 inches, and this wig does have a bit of color, you guys. So this is their T1B 27613 wig, so it's pretty much a blonde highlighted wig unit in my opinion, with the 1B roots. So yeah, now this wig unit does come with 5 clips along the parting space, and it does have a comb in the back as well. This adjustable strap I'm taking out because I don't want a lot of tension on my hair with this V-part wig. And as for the foundation, I just have my hair in a low ball. So just to let you guys know, this company did request that I do kind of like a no show kind of hair thing. So pretty much I'm just clipping this wig on the top of my head. This is something that I've never done before. Usually when I do my V-part, U-part wig units, I'm taking out my natural hair to, you know, blend in with the curly wigs or, you know, the U-parts. But this company didn't want me to take out my hair and wanted me to literally just show you guys how to clip it on top of your natural hair. So that's what I'm doing today. As for this is really different for me because it literally does feel like there's just a wig sitting on top of your head, but I did have to go in and like tease it so that it can blend in. I just use my edge brush, the comb and the bristle side to tease it so that it can blend. I do want to let you guys know that the clips that's on this wig unit, it doesn't go all the way up to the edge, so it's going to feel like your wig is kind of like lifting because the clips aren't, again, all the way up at the edge. But I literally just went in and blended it. Now when you go in and blend, you're going to see that the hair does frizz up at the top, and because this is a curly wig unit, I had to go in and curl define it again. Now I do want to let you guys know that the hair that you see, the texture that you see on camera, is the natural curls of this wig unit because I already went in and curl defined it off of camera. But as you can see, because I did a lot of teasing, I do have to go in and pretty much re-wet the hair so that it can blend in and doesn't look like a frizzy mess. However, okay, when you do this, you're kind of messing with the you know, the teasing part of the hair, so you're going to have to go back in. I did have to go back in and tease this again because I combed a little too much, too far up, and it was no longer blending. So this was definitely like one of those trial and error things. Again, this is my first time, but I feel like I did a decent job with blending my natural hair with it. Again, because this hair is blonde, you can definitely tell of the frizz from the teasing, so just make sure you guys take your time with that. Maybe use a little bit of oil or something like that. So I'm just taking my comb and fluffing out the hair so that I can get a much more voluminous look. I'm also trying to frame my face a little bit more because it was a bit uneven, so I just wanted to give it a bit of a trim in some areas, you guys. And that's pretty much all that I did. Was it quick and easy? Yes, it is, but because of the hair texture, it did get a little frizzy up at the top at the roots. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you think. I am going to show you guys what it looks like now that I went and teased it, as you guys could see here. Let me know if I did a good job with blending. Again, this is my first time, so yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.